Hi guys, so you want to run a Wilcoxon test or actually Mann-Whitney test in past. So in previous video I've shown you, that will be linked below, I've shown you how to run a t-test in past. Let's do it again. The data is here. I have grouping variables with rugby player, sailor, rugby player, sailors. They are all females, and we want to compare their heights. I go to univariate, two sample tests, and it calculates. And as we look at the t-test, we can have a look at the results, some general data, and p-value for t-test. The probability that these two groups are coming from population with the same mean is very low, so we reject the null hypothesis, and we can say that the height of sailors and rugby players are different. But there are many other tests that can be used to do that. For instance, the Mann-Whitney test, which does it without assuming normal distribution of the population and other assumptions. And again, it did the whole thing, and the p-value that we have the equal median in this case is again very low, and we can accept the hypothesis. And there are other tests, and it says equal distribution, again same distribution, many other tests. I actually don't know what are the difference between those tests. You will have to read about it. We are done.